Hi, I'm Diana Rose and I'm a principal designer at Diana Rose Design. Today we'll be talking about the different waterproof flooring types that you can introduce in your next project. Flooring technology has come a long way, and now more than ever we can really be experimental with our flooring and give ourselves any options available out there. Because let's admit, with kids and pets and even our own clumsiness, accidents are bound to happen. There are a few types of waterproof flooring out there. One of the most revolutionary ones is waterproof carpet. Yes, I thought I would never be able to say it in one sentence, but waterproof carpet does exist. It has a special backing that is water resistant and it's extremely durable and easy to clean. It's absolutely perfect for those cozy rooms that we always want, like kids' playrooms, home theaters, rec rooms, where it needs a little bit of that extra protections from floor damage. If you're the type of person who enjoys the look of the hardwoods, but you want that extra protection, then engineered waterproof hardwood may be your perfect choice. Because it also comes in all these different shades and species of wood, just like any regular hardwood, then you can actually play around with different options and still have that flexibility to make sure that you never have any water damage. You can go ahead and install them even in your bathrooms or kitchens, and as they come in different plank sizes and lengths, it really gives you lots of opportunities to make something special. Luxury vinyl flooring is actually one of the most waterproof products out there because it's a synthetic material through and through. So this way you never have to worry about any water issues whatsoever. It's durable. It also comes in lots of options that resemble wood, even tile. So this way you can actually install it even in your mudroom, in your laundry, in any high traffic areas that can take any abuse. And of course, one of the most obvious flooring options out there that are waterproof is tile. Tile, as we know, comes in all different colors and shades and forms and material. So this way, again, you can really have your creative juices flow and create something really nice. With so many waterproof flooring options out there, it is so easy now to really pick and choose what would work for your family and your lifestyle. I hope these tips were helpful and have a great project ahead.